Hey everyone, this is Cameron with OnTivity. One of the things that I want to hone in and I want to talk to you guys about is the difference between doing a documented annual inspection versus the type of inspection that you do daily and you just note on your JHA. Now, OSHA tells us that we have to do documented annual inspections of our PPE. We should be doing this not just because we're told to do it, but because we see the true value in behind doing a documented inspection. The documented inspection is something that's going to be a whole lot more formal than doing just your daily visual inspections. This is where you should have an inspection form that talks about the buckles, the belts, the webbing, the sewn connections, all the quick connects, all of that. It should detail it out specifically, and you should go through and you should check each and every part of that harness. But not just your harness, we're also talking Y-leg lanyards, positioning lanyards, wire rope sleeves, safety glasses, gloves, hard hats, all of your PPE, all of those things that you utilize as the last line of defense to protect you, to make sure that you go home to your kids at the end of that day. You have to make sure that you do documented annual inspections. This helps hold not only yourself accountable, but the person in which you work for accountable as well. Remember, if it's not documented, it didn't happen. So you have to make sure that you document it. Now let's kind of go to our day-to-day inspections. The day when you get out of the truck, you pull your harness, your PPE out of your gear bag. Of course, you want to look it over. Hand it to the guy next to you or the gal next to you and let them inspect it. A second set of eyes is always crucial. Making sure that you're going through those additional steps and documenting it on your daily JHA, just as, hey, I've done this visual inspection, I've put it on. You make sure everything fits, you adjust it, and then you go to work. Now, going back to the actual documented annual inspection, one thing that I really like to do and I found great success in, and I've even been guilty of it myself, I go through, I do my documented annual inspection, but lo and behold, I missed something. I hand that harness over and my paperwork over to another competent individual, and they go through and they do the same check. And guess what? They have a spot on the bottom of that form to sign as well. One of the most common things, and I get it, I forget to do it all the time myself, is opening up that Velcro pouch on the back of your harness or going to that inspection log on your harness and actually marking that you inspected it for that year. If you're just getting a harness for the first time, that's the same exact place that you put that harness into use. You document that day in which it was issued out to you and you initial beside it. Those are just the little simple things that a lot of times people seem to overlook that makes all the difference in the world. If you have any questions whatsoever, if it's a safety related question, reach out to Safety LMS. If it's gear related, reach out to GME. I hope you found the information which I shared with you today valuable. And remember, don't forget to do it yourself.